Hello, good day everyone. We are finally going to Siquijor. We will be taking the ocean jet from Dumaguete Port and the fare is 350 per person. I got our ticket from online since it's approaching Holy Week. If you really want to enjoy your travel in ocean jet, make sure to remind that ticket officer that you'd like a window seat, but that's upon availability if you arrive early in the port. This is just a quick travel of 40 minutes, so make sure you enjoy the view. Upon arriving in Siquijor, gisugat jud may aning turquoise-colored water. That makes us even more excited for the coming days. Before going anywhere in Siquijor, ni-drop by lang sa mi sa ilahang church which is near lang sa port, and we prayed for protection and smooth vacation. And for our loved ones at home. We traveled for 30 minutes to reach Ola Beach Resort in Lazi. This is a very nice place to experience Siquijor very nature. I will be making a different vlog for this. This is our room. It's very laid back and I choose this hotel because it's very near to our destinations for the next day. And here we are just taking time to relax because we just arrived. And my husband is planning to go fishing if he can catch some fishes. I don't know if makaluto ba mi because it's not allowed. There's a carcage fee. So what are we gonna do with the fish if makakuha mi? And we actually have restaurant, but upon checking the price, it's very for foreigners. But if luwag ang budget, then go. Daghan pud mga on sa ilaha, actually mostly foreigners. So I think the food is good. So here we are, bisag init pa, mag-fishing na. Kaya excited ang akong husband. So let's see if na ba mi makuha. So this is their beach front na mga rooms. It's air conditioned. It's 2,100 per night. Mostly nagstay din is mga foreigners. This is a very nice beach. Kung ganahan ka, dili daghan og tawo. There he is. So ako naghuwat ra jud ko diri sa kilid, no, like kainit niya, magngisda pa siya. So mo to actually ask kung nakakuha siya, and yeah, sagdot iyang nakuha. So while akong bana is busy doing his things, ako is wala, tambay-tambay lang ko sa gilid until the sunset comes. So my husband is just a beginner sa fishing, so don't bash him kay di pa siya expert. Mo to nagabihan na mig finishing, matwala Japon may nakuha. So that's fine, it's just for fun. Kay if makakuha may ibalik ra man pud namo sa dagat. Yeah, ako nag-try po ko fishing, no. Okay, marag sayo na naman tan-aon, but marag lisod man di ay itsa, di ba? Tanaw hapit ako makaguba. Fishing lang sa atong activity ron kay tomorrow it's a long day. The sun is down and we are thinking of having our dinner na. So since lagi mahalan mi sa amo ang hotel, ilang restaurant, nangita mi yung laing way para maka-eat, and sa kilid lang sa unahan na ay ninda og siomai and pancit canton. So it's barato lang. The shake is only 50 pesos and 70 pesos with graham. So later na ta mo bongga sa ato ang mga pagkaon, no, kanang mo visit yung mga restaurant with a nice view. So mga comfort homey foods lang sa atong kaunon karon, kay taas-taas pa ang atong gastuhonon. So until nakauli na mi. So kani medyo scary siya, no, kay gabi kayo ngit-ngit and all you can hear mga is kruk-kruk o mga tweet-tweet sa mga bird. Pero di ka sure kay Siquijor baya ni